Stix is back, still got dusty pockets, but this time, Stix smells an opportunity. Literally. Everybody has dirty clothes, nobody enjoys washing them, and somebody is getting paid to solve that problem every single day. Welcome back to Business 2 of 500, the laundry business. Stix went from a vending machine in Business 1, now he's diving into dirty laundry. Literally rags to, well, let's see. Founding figures. Now strap in. This one's juicy. Quick story. Stix once stood in line at a laundromat for 45 minutes, just to wash 3 shirts. And while Stix was standing there, dusty pockets and all, he watched the owner just counting money. Not stressed, not even doing much, just collecting bread while customers did all the work themselves. That's the moment. That's when Stix realized, this channel isn't about finding one business. It's about proving that every ordinary thing around you is secretly a business idea wearing a disguise. Dirty laundry? That's just bread waiting to be collected. Quick reminder for any new founding figures just joining us. On this channel, dusty pockets is not an excuse, it's a starting line. We don't believe in wait until you have more money. We believe in start with what's literally in front of your face, even if what's in front of your face is a giant pile of dirty socks. Real steps, real numbers, real bread. Let's get into it. What exactly is the laundry business? There are actually 3 versions of this business, and Stix wants you to know all of them because each one fits a different pocket size. Version 1, wash and fold. You collect people's dirty laundry, wash it, fold it, deliver it back. No machines needed if you're starting dusty. You can use your own washer or even hand wash it first. Version 2, self-service laundromat. You set up a shop full of washing machines and dryers. Customers come in, pay, and wash their own clothes. This needs more bread to start. Version 3, mobile laundry pickup. You pick up dirty laundry from people's homes, take it to be washed, and deliver it back clean. Basically laundry, but with extra steps and extra charges.
Since Stix has dusty pockets, we're doing version 1, wash and fold, the most beginner-friendly version.
How much money do you actually need? Founding figures. Here's the surprising part. If you already have a washing machine at home, your starting cost could be 0. If you don't have one, here's what you'd need. A basic washing machine. Used ones can be found for $100 to $300. Laundry detergent and supplies, roughly $20 to $50 to start. Bags or baskets to transport clothes, or another $20 or so. Total startup cost? As low as $0 to $400. That's it. Stix has spent more money on snacks while filming this video. Who is going to pay for this? Your customers are anyone who has clothes but no time or no desire to wash them. That's basically everyone. College students, busy, lazy, and usually have a little bread from allowance or part-time jobs. Working professionals, they're loaded on time pressure and will happily pay to get laundry off their plate. Elderly neighbors, sometimes physically can't carry heavy laundry baskets anymore. Easy, loyal customers. New parents. Have you seen how much laundry a baby creates? It's basically a laundry factory in a onesie. Find one of these groups near you and start there. You don't need the whole city. You need 5 to 10 loyal customers to start seeing real bread. How do you price it? Pricing is usually done per load or per kilogram pound of laundry. A typical wash, dry, and fold service charges somewhere between $1.50 to $3 per pound of laundry, depending on your area. A typical household laundry load weighs around 8 to 10 pounds, so one single pickup could already be $15 to $30. Now imagine doing 3 to 5 of these a day. Founding figures. That's potentially $45 to $150 per day. From clothes that were already dirty, that people were already going to wash. How Stix scales this up? Here's the scaling secret nobody tells you. You don't need to do all the washing yourself forever. Stage 1. Stix does everything. Pickup, wash, fold, delivery, building reputation and first customers. Stage 2. Stix hires one helper to handle washing, while Stix focuses on getting more customers. Stage 3. Stix adds more machines, more helpers, maybe even partners with a local laundromat to handle overflow. That's the loaded version of Stix. Not doing the washing himself anymore. Just managing the system that washes for him. Dirty laundry walked in, bread walked out. That's the magic. Now Stix knows what some of you dusty-minded people are already typing in the comments. Let's address it. Nobody wants to pay someone to wash their clothes. Tell that to the multi-billion-dollar laundry service industry that exists in literally every city on Earth. This is too simple to be a real business. Simple businesses are the ones that survive the longest. People will always have dirty clothes. That's not a trend, that's biology. I don't have time to do laundry for other people. That's literally stage 2. Hire help. You're managing, not washing. The doubt always sounds smart until someone with dusty pockets actually tries it and proves it wrong. Stix came into this video with dusty pockets and a giant pile of dirty laundry. Now, Stix has a business model, a starting cost of basically nothing, a customer list, and a path to getting loaded, one wash cycle at a time. Business 1 was vending machines. Business 2 is laundry. 2 completely different industries. Same simple steps. Same dusty pockets to start. Same path to loaded. If Stix can do it, you can do it. Founding figures, and that's business 2 of 500 done. 498 more to go. Drop a comment. What should business 3 be? You've been giving Stix gold so far, keep it coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it. The bread gang doesn't stay dusty.